Welcome to the Money Literate Academy. If this is the first time of visiting our YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button to become part of our YouTube family for free. Click the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video, you will be notified instantly. Like and share the video for others to benefit. So if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to be teaching you how to source properly or how to search properly on the 1688 website. So first of all, we are going to be using Google Chrome and then Google Translate. So if you don't have the Google Translate, you can search for it on Play Store. Yes, just go to Play Store and then you search for Google Translate and then you download it. So we have it here. So you go to Google Chrome and then as usual you search for 1688.com 1688.com. So this is it's loading. This is the interface of the 1688. Yes, so this is the place we are going to search. Yes, this is the place we are going to search. So you search what are you going to buy. So you click and then you search. So let's say you want to search for jeans. Let's say men jeans. So you type and then you search. So we have over 2000 search results. Yes, we have over 2000 search results. Different jeans. 2000. Yes, so see this jeans, 6 yen. See this one too, 9 yen. So as I told you in my previous video, as time goes on, I'm going to be teaching you how to convert the yen into your local currency. Yes, so after searching, so let's say you have searched and then you had 2000 search results. So let's search for a different product again. I'm going to search for a different product. So let me say blender. So we have different blenders. Different blenders with different suppliers or manufacturers. Yes, and different prices as well. Yes, there are so many manufacturers or so many suppliers on this platform. So you can see Silver Crest. This supplier is selling it at 42.3 yen. Yes, so many. So let's say you have searched the product you want to buy and then you've not seen this 2000 search results. All you need to do is to convert, or you should translate what you want to search from English to Chinese. Yes, and then if you search that way, you are going to get cheaper prices, and then you are also going to get so many products in which you can buy. Yes, so I'm going to be taking you through. So first of all, I told you to download Google Translate. So you open your Google Translate. You know, the 1688 is mainly for Chinese. Yes, so if you want it to give you good results, you translate the English into Chinese and then you go to the website and then you search. So we are going to search, let me say women bags. So you see women bags, we have it in Chinese. This is the Chinese language. Women bags. So you can even listen to it here. You see the sound. You can even listen to it in Chinese.
女包
Mi pam.
女包
Okay, so you click here to copy. Just click here to copy. So when you click, it will be copied. So you go back to the website. You search. You go to your search button and then you paste what you copied. You paste what you copied and then you search. So when you do this, you know the site understands Chinese. So when you do this, you are going to get so many products and then cheaper prices. Yes, so this is what we have. This is what we have. This is what we have. So you can go back and then search for more products. So we have our Google Translate, and then I'm going to search for ladies shoes. So ladies shoes, we have it in Chinese. So all you need to do is to copy. You copy, then you go to the website and then you search. We are searching it in Chinese. So you select and then you search. You will have 2000 search results. So we have our shoes here, ladies shoes. So you can search and then buy whatever you want to buy. So in my next video, I'll be taking you through how to picture search on the 1688 website. Maybe you are looking for a product and then you don't know the name of the product, but you have the picture of the product. I'll teach you how to picture search on the website. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and then turn on the notification bell.